Hey traders, D7 here. The markets crashed. Big time drop. The Dow down over 1,031 points, down 3.5%. This is the worst drop it has seen in 2 years. It is the third worst point drop in history. The markets right now bled out today. Down, the spiders down 3.3%. The diamonds, the Dow down 3.5%. The Nasdaq down 3.86%. The Russell's down 3%. The financials down 3.3%. US dollar flat. Crude oil down 4%. Silver higher. Gold higher. VIX a staggering spike to the upside. We are up 47%. The VIX right now is at 25. The Bitcoin is at 9,600. Here we are at this, looking at the spiders. Watch my last video. Look at the weekend edition video. It is a great video to learn from. Watch that video. Start at 6.5 minutes in. 6.5 minutes in. Watch the video. Watch the next 2 minutes. That will tell you. That was a precursor to what was happening. Watch the first 6 minutes to see what things I was seeing, to be able to be thinking that a bloodbath could happen. I said that. I used that word. A bloodbath could be happening. We're down. First time in history that all three major indices have dropped more than 3% in a single day. That happened today. So here's the deal. I'm going to share something very important with you after this quick review. We dropped below the 20-day, the 50-day moving average, and a major trend line on the spider, the daily chart, the diamonds. We dropped below a major trend line, just so we all are on the same page on the diamond, okay? We are December 24, 2018. Pause the video. You can see the chart or the date down here below. And I'm using TradingView. There's a link down in my description. It comes over. The next hit was October 2nd, 2019. And then we go higher, higher, higher. We closed below it. We went below it. We tried to rally back. That acted as resistance. We come back down. It major drop on big volume, huge volume across the board, guys. We saw the volume last Thursday increase on the sell side. I said, that is something to be watching. Friday, the volume increased. Friday should not have huge volume like that. We saw that. Smart money exiting. They were jumping off the train. So that's what happened. Okay, Nasdaq dropped below major trend lines. The 20-day, but still above the rising 50-day. That's interesting. Russell's come crashing down below a major trend line. We're down below it. Bad news. All major moving averages instead of the 200-day moving average. And the financials, it broke that support line. Remember, I said in the video, next day or two is going to tell me everything I need to know, and now it has. Now it has shown me everything I need to know. Crude oil US dollars pulling back nicely for a nice setup to the upside. Looked for US dollar to go higher. And crude oil, big drop, but people are buying into that weakness. Be careful. That could be trying to find a bottom to head higher. Silver popped up but sold off at the high. Be careful. It could be ready to drop. Gold popped up, but people sold into that strength. It could be dropping. VIX is up and away. Remember how I said Friday, we come up here tagged resistance area, and if it breaks that, whoa, boom, it broke it. We closed at 25. So huge pop to the upside. It doesn't even, we don't even look at the weekly, so it's only 1 day in. It doesn't matter. I do want to quickly look at right now the Grok. The Dow 30. Apple down 4.75%. There it is. 7.5%. Yes. Go and watch the video. We talked about all these. It's 5% on American Express. Huge drops. 5% on Cisco. Oh, just a bloodbath. Look at these. Whoa, United Healthcare down nearly 8%. And I have friends at work there. Oh man, that's a bloodbath. 5% on Visa down. WBA, great short, down 4.7%. Walmart actually doing the best out of everybody, only down 1.9%. I can't believe I just said only down 1.9%. Let's look at tech stocks, guys. Our tech stocks. Let's go there. Take a look. AMD down 7.8%. Oh, and broke a major trend line. Ouch. Booking down 7%. Nvidia down 7%. Wow, 7.5% on Tesla. Huge drop on Tesla. 6% on Twitter. All right, so here's the deal. What should we make of this? Well, I'll tell you this. There's a lot of coronavirus fears out there. A lot of fears with the spread of that taking place. I want to share with you some statistics. Here's where I say don't fret. You don't fret. Research shows that after a big 3% drop, okay, in the markets, the S&P after the next day is only down on average 0.27%, okay, the following day on average. Could be more or less. But after 1 week, the average increase is 1.83%. So it's up almost 2% a week later. 1 month later, it's up 2.08% 1 month later on average. 1 year later, it's up nearly 13%. Okay? Put it into perspective. Now, the Dow, the next day is only down on average at 0.19%. After 1 week is up 2.07%. After 1 month, it's up nearly 3% after 1 month. So it regains everything it lost plus, right? And well, after that. So in 1 year after, it's up 12.5%. That's the reality. If you look at previous performance, it doesn't necessarily indicate future results. But on average, I gave you the averages of after we had a 3% drop in a single day. So that this is interesting to watch. I'm very interested to see if we fill this gap and how fast it happens and how much volume we do it on. Or will this be a multi-week pullback looking for a nice pullback before buyers will come back in? So it could be several weeks. I think this is a short-term drop. I do not believe this is the market highs and we're going to see a multi-year drop from this point forward. I don't think that we just saw our market highs for that will play itself out for several years. I think this is a short-term drop. People will find buying opportunities to buy up stocks that they want to grab a hold of and will drift back higher, just like what we were seeing here with the statistics I was just sharing with you. If you don't know who we are, I've been trading in the live markets this month, 22 years using technical analysis. Been investing in the markets over 30 years. We have an education company. We teach people how to do technical analysis. Subscribe, like, leave your comments on what you think may happen next. So here it is, quick update for you guys. Hope this was helpful. If so, let me know. Catch up with you guys later. We'll see what happens. This will be really interesting.